All right, traders, hello and good evening. It's quarter date on the 20th of September. Now, I didn't actually get a chance to check how the charts close for the week. Just looking over it now, it's pretty interesting. It's sort of gone up to 73, 22, 23 or so. Rejected that level that it's really had a struggle getting through. Let me bring up the daily chart actually to see how the candle closed. Yeah, so as you can see, the whole week had been sort of like floating up there, even though equity markets were very much, bouncing all over the place. And we've seen just with the Aussie dollar being in line with risk sentiment that it's been following that, but it didn't quite do that. So I guess it's just you let that be really and to see how it plays out, and especially probably Monday night in the US session, or to see what goes on. I'll bring up some tech names as well. I'll bring up Apple and Tesla. I'm in as well. Interesting how it sort of, I guess it's been floating between this range of 70 to 70 or so, and topping out at 93.60. So there's a little bit of upside there, guys. So it's something to pay attention to. But again, the US dollar is very strongly correlated with equity markets as well. Trying new stuff, guys. I've got the Omni stand-up desk as well. I've got a monitor here, laptop here, and I've got the third monitor here. And we'll see how it goes. I'm just getting used to it now, though. So let's have a look at the euro. We'll have a look at the euro, have a look at the pound. And in regards to like a watch list video, this is what this will be. So really, the Aussie dollar, I'm still a long bias on that, to be fair, just with everything. Let's have a look at the now Euro US dollar range bound. I'm leaving that one. I'm definitely leaving that one. So let's go to the S&P 500. I like the standing up because I do in my job I'm quite active, and sometimes when I'm sitting it actually hurts my knees. So if I've had a big day and I've got a little bit of tightness in the ITB band and the patella tendon, so I'm just sort of trying to rehabilitate that. So I just thought, let's get the stand-up desk, so the S&P 500, it's interesting on the day. Let's see how this behaves. That really is quite interesting, isn't it? Definitely, topped out, aggressively sold off. Not a lot of conviction in regards to actually buying, but we'll see what this does on Monday. That's what we'll see. And if it gets through 33.10 or so. All right. Let's bring up Apple. Apple is interesting. I got it at 115. This is a tentative entry when it was pulling back, like back here or something, like on that day, and then it's sort of broken. It's broken 108. So it's really, this is now correct from up here to there. It's by over 20%, with a high of like 137 and a 106. So I guess we'll just see how it all plays out, guys. And Tesla as well. I got into Tesla at 386, and that's what that's doing there. So that these moves like that though, 330. I was actually in it during that as well. I was. So as you can see, guys, like it respects that support. There are people that, would have been waiting a little bit for that correction. So I still see equity markets are okay. They're going to be volatile, obviously, with the election on and everything. But in regards to FX, I just brought that up to give you guys a perspective in regards to like the US equities, and because those tech stocks make up such a huge proportion of like the US market. So all right, 72.91 closed out. We'll see. Go to the hourly. All right, maybe a play off that support there. If it's range bound, that's how you got to trade. And the Aussie really sort of likes to get range bound. We'll wait and see what it does though. A nice little bounce here. we'll see what the low is in regards to a stop loss placement once a candle closes on the hourly. But the main play will be this bounce off here at 72.84. So, guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Hope the quality came out okay. I've got a little light as well. So, just trying to, improve professionalism a little bit, and we'll see how it all goes. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.